an ironic media production.
Visit us at ironickmedia.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Deepa, creator and host of the Sleep Whisperer podcast. The inspiration for the show came from my life and the challenging times that we are all facing today. I spent a major part of my life struggling with complex health challenges, poor sleep and high anxiety. I tried everything, every system of medicine, every magical pill, protocol, and simply everything that I thought could bring me that promised land of perfect sleep. Yet deep down within, I still struggled with my body, my symptoms, sleep, mood, and even my confidence with myself. I had a eureka moment when I chanced upon the functional medicine world, and this led me to walk the path to where I am today. I am now in full remission of my symptoms, free of anxiety, and have a deep sense of purpose towards which I am walking forward, and I want to invite you to come along on this amazing journey. I am thrilled to bring you guests whom I myself admire greatly and who have been mentors, dear friends, and inspirational to me. With this show, I want to bring their voices to your home, especially given how scary everything looks out there today. Every week you will listen to their personal stories of these inspiring people who are courageous as they walk their wondrous paths. You will learn how they have mastered sleep, their health and their mind through their lens of focus. The goal of this show is for you to see what is possible and give you the confidence that you need to build a stable practice for yourself where you can transform from a life of poor sleep and poor health. The Sleep Whisperer podcast is to provide tools to move past sleep challenges for everyone from everywhere. In the midst of global challenges, the need to come together is more critical than ever. I feel saddened by those who have been impacted financially, personally, and emotionally by the crisis. I have hope that we can all move forward, supporting each other in whatever way we can. After interviewing so many people, I've seen that the most common root cause of poor sleep and poor health is stress. Most of the guests have come to where they are today by having some form of support that helps them deal with high levels of stress day to day. Many of them have walked arduous paths to get here today. The road has not been easy. Their story is meant to inspire you, comfort you, and support you on your journey. So what's the Sleep Whisperer podcast about? Sleep is the missing piece in healthcare today. It has great potential to transform a health journey. This show is about helping people understand sleep, the root causes of poor sleep, and how sleep has different root causes for different people. The show will also give you a better understanding of nutrition and cooking for better sleep, and it explores sleep therapies and so much more. If you're struggling with poor sleep, or if you're a healthcare practitioner wanting to support your clients and patients with deeper information about sleep, you'll learn a systems-based approach based on the principles of functional medicine and ancient wisdom. Did you know that from 1942 to 2013, the number of hours of average sleep went down by 15%? 1 in 3 adults do not get adequate sleep. 70 to 100 million people worldwide suffer from some form of sleep disorder, and this number could be alarmingly more in areas that we do not know. 90% of those suffering from chronic sleep deprivation have a greater risk for chronic health challenges. Millions of people worldwide take prescription drugs to fall asleep and have the potential danger of getting addicted to them. Frequent use of sleep medication is also linked to greater mortality rates. With so much changing, it's all the more important that we prioritize sleep. This podcast is a bridging of the East and West. It brings together cutting-edge science and ancient wisdom. We also bring guests from the East and West in an attempt to connect globally in unison during these trying times. This show is for you if you want to be more alert, focused, creative, and initiative-driven. If you've tried everything possible and nothing has worked for you, if you're in a state of constant infections, if you have hormonal imbalances that make you suffer with mood swings, weight gain, acne, and much more, if you're battling with numbing anxiety and even deeper depression because your brain just feels tired, if you're a mom who just snaps at your child all day long but know deep within yourself that it's just not right to do so, if you're struggling with the quality of your relationships and you suffer from constant fatigue, and this show is for you if you want to move past all of that, transform your life, have a great life where you can work towards the potential and vision that you have for yourself. What can you expect from the show as we go forward? With our belief of bringing the East together with the West and ancient wisdom together with modern science, you can expect the show to move past barriers of every kind. We have an amazing lineup of highly successful people, including those who are visionaries in women's health, brain health, Ayurveda, and much more. Through each of their stories, you'll see the challenging path that they walk to get where they are today and be inspired by who they are. These are just a few of the people we'll be featuring on the show, and I cannot wait to see where the show will go. We want to move beyond barriers and be inclusive and purposeful in every way. One of the things that these challenging times bring us is the ability to level and connect each of us together. This is the time to move beyond barriers of race, status, creed, color, gender, sexual preference, and origin. My search towards discovering root causes of poor sleep and finding ways to move past that led me to spaces where I never knew sleep challenges existed. Did you know that a majority of those within the LGBTQ community struggle with sleep due to bullying, trauma, and stress? This deeply pained me. I want to take the show where nothing is a barrier anymore, where we are inclusive to everything and bring you the best possible information from every corner of the globe. Today, I want to offer you something which will begin to transform your world of poor sleep. One of the greatest ways that you can support yourself in something that can help you reduce your stress and calm down your physiology. Ancient Greeks used lavender in their baths to relax and soothe. One of the beliefs was that Hypnos, the god of sleep, was surrounded by sleep-inducing opiates. Think of using lavender in a bath where soaking in water can soothe your nervous system and reduce inflammation. Think of sipping lavender tea from a lavender cup. Think of creating your own sleep balm with beeswax, coconut oil, and lavender essential oil. Or just drop a few drops on the floor of a shower. This is a great way to get you started on simple tools that will help your sleep journey. The Sleep Whisperer podcast will be weekly and will come out every Wednesday. Be sure to subscribe to the show on your favorite podcast app to get each episode as soon as it launches. Thanks so much for taking the time to listen, and we can't wait to bring you this stellar audience. You can also visit our website www.sleepwhisperer.pro. You can follow us on Instagram at MySleepWhisperer. If you would like to join me on this journey, write to me at deepa@phytothrive.com and let me know about someone who has walked a similar path whom I can feature. Better yet, do make a personal introduction so that I can share another inspirational story with the Sleep Whisperer community. Thank you for listening to me, and together we can give everyone with poor sleep regained hope.